Hello everyone. People often mess up with our minds that make us very angry. Now, if you're an advanced learner, you cannot use the same word again and again, and that's why we use alternatives. If you're a basic learner but love to use advanced English words, then I'm going to make this video extremely easy for you. A cakewalk. Okay, let's begin with the 5 alternatives for very angry with examples. First, infuriated. I was infuriated by your illogical decision. Second, furious. He was furious when he discovered the truth about you. Third, enraged. The late night parties have enraged the neighbors. Fourth, incensed. The recurrent power outage has incensed the students. It's the exam time, come on. Here's the last one, indignant. Now remember, indignant is when you do not agree with something. You do not agree with what someone says or does. Okay, for example, he was indignant with his best friend because he pressed false charges against him. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to receive notifications. Keep learning, stay blessed, stay safe.